Today, I'm going to show you how to create graphic images in Gamma, quickly and easily, even if you've never used the tool before. Gamma is a great platform for building presentations, documents, and visual content, and one of its most useful features is the ability to generate custom graphic images right inside your workspace. So, if you want to make your slides look more professional, add unique visuals, or create graphics that match your exact idea, this tutorial is for you. And if you enjoy simple software tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful videos just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Gamma account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is where all of your projects and tools are organized, so take a second to look around if you're new to the platform. On the left side panel, you'll see several options, and the one you want to look for is Images. Click on Images to open the image tools inside Gamma. This section is where you can create and manage visuals for your presentation or project. After that, click on Create Graphic. As soon as you do that, a prompt box will appear. This prompt box is where you describe the graphic image you want Gamma to generate. Be as clear and specific as possible, because the more detail you give, the better the result will be. For example, you can describe the subject, style, colors, mood, background, or even the type of presentation the image will be used for. If you want a clean business-style image, mention that. If you want something modern, colorful, minimal, or artistic, include those details in your prompt as well. Once you type in your idea, generate the graphic and let Gamma create the image for you. In just a few moments, you should see a custom graphic based on your prompt. If the first result is not exactly what you wanted, don't worry. You can adjust your prompt, make it more detailed, and try again until you get the style you need. This is one of the best parts of using Gamma, because you can refine the image until it matches your presentation perfectly. Now, Gamma also gives you a variety of images below the graphic creation area. You can browse through those options and download the ones that fit your content best. These ready-made images can be really helpful if you want to save time or quickly add visuals without creating everything from scratch. Just choose the image you like and download it for use in your presentation. After that, you can place it into your slide and continue building out your content. This is especially useful if you're making a presentation for work, school, social media, or a client project and want your visuals to stand out. The main thing to remember is that Gamma makes the process very simple. You log in, open the Images panel, click Create Graphic, enter your prompt, and then download additional images if needed. With just a few steps, you can build a much more engaging presentation with custom visuals that look polished and professional. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Gamma tips, AI tools tutorials, and step-by-step how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.